ចាជំរាបសួរបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាជួបជាមួយគ្រូម្ដងទៀតនៅក្នុងថ្នាក់ភាសាអង់គ្លេសកម្រិត2ចាតើបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយទេចាអរគុណម្ដងដែលយើងមានឱកាសជួបជុំគ្នាបានសាច់ជាថ្មីហើយក៏នៅក្នុងកងសប្បាយចិត្តសម្រាប់ថ្ងៃនេះផងដែរដែលខ្ញុំមានមេរៀនតាក់ទងជាមួយនឹង grammar យើងដឹងហើយណា grammar គឺសំខាន់មែនទែននៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសដើម្បីជួយឲ្យកូនមានការអនុវត្តទៅលើការជំនាញក្នុងការសរសេរនិងការនិយាយដែលត្រឹមត្រូវហើយច្បាស់លាស់ផងដែរចាអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងមេរៀនរបស់យើងថ្ងៃនេះគឺនៅក្នុងមានមេរៀនមួយដែលនិយាយពី past of be past of be យើងដឹងថា past គឺអតីតកាលណា of be ស្ដៅលើ verb be របស់យើង verb be របស់យើងគឺស្ដៅលើ am is are ចឹងនៅក្នុង past of be am is are គឺវានឹងដូរទៅជា verb ហើយ verb are នឹងទៅជា verb ចា៎តែដូចថាការប្រើប្រាស់ verb នៅក្នុង past of be យ៉ាងម៉េចយើងមកមើលជាមួយនឹងទាំងអស់គ្នាចាអញ្ចឹងជាដំបូងមុននឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមទៅមើលការប្រើប្រាស់ឬក៏ពីទម្រង់ផ្សេងៗនោះអ្នកគ្រូចង់ប្រាប់ខ្លួនអំពីការប្រើប្រាស់របស់វាសិនណាអញ្ចឹងការប្រើប្រាស់ past of be ឬក៏គេហៅថានឹងជាការធម្មតាជាមួយនឹងគ្រាអក្សរ to be វាប្រើដើម្បីនិយាយអំពីចាទីកន្លែង location គឺទៅលើទីកន្លែងឬទីតាំងណាមួយហើយជាមួយនឹង adjective ចានៅក្នុងមេរៀននេះគេនិយាយតែពីចំណុចនេះទេគឺនិយាយពី location ហើយនឹងគុណនាមតែដែលគេប្រើនៅក្នុងទម្រង់អតីតកាលជាមួយនឹង past of be នឹងឯងចាចឹងនេះក៏បានលើកឧទាហរណ៍ខ្លះតែទៅជាមួយនឹង adjective តើអីទៅជា adjective តើអីទៅជា location ចាយើងដឹងថា adjective គឺជាពាក្យបញ្ជាក់ចាគឺជាពាក្យដែលបញ្ជាក់លក្ខណៈរបស់នាមឧទាហរណ៍ដូចជា alright តែដែលអត់អីទេ exciting សប្បាយចិត្តដែលសប្បាយដែលរំភើបដែលរីករាយ great មានថាដែលអស្ចារ្យដែលល្អចឹងណា fun មានថាដែលចាដែលសប្បាយរីករាយចាអញ្ចឹងវាមានច្រើនទៀតបណ្ដាលមកយកតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេហើយចំណែក location គឺទីតាំងឬក៏ទីកន្លែងផ្សេងៗហ្នឹងគឺនៅប្រយោគដូចជា home apartment market beach ឬក៏ផ្សេងទៀតណាមានច្រើនទៀតតែយើងដឹងហើយថាតើទៅជាមួយ location ទីតាំងទីកន្លែងហ្នឹងគឺវាមានច្រើនមែនអត់នៅក្នុងថ្នាក់រៀនឬក៏នៅលើតុនៅលើទូអីហ្នឹងក៏ជាទីតាំងមួយមែនណាអញ្ចឹងគឺមានច្រើនលើពីដល់ទៀតចា៎បន្ទាប់ពីស្គាល់ពីការប្រើប្រាស់ហើយដែលខ្ញុំនឹងបញ្យល់ផងអំពីទម្រង់នៃការប្រើប្រាស់ past of be នៅក្នុង affirmative form ហើយនឹង negative form ដែលគេហៅថាទម្រង់ស្របហើយនឹងទម្រង់បដិសេធចា៎គឺនៅក្នុងទម្រង់ស្របដែលយើងប្រើនៅក្នុង past of be ហ្នឹងគឺចាអ្នកគ្រូបានសេហើយចាគឺ subject I she he it ហើយ third person singular គឺយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង verse ចាប្រើជាមួយនឹង verse ចាំផងណា subject ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងគឺប្រើមួយ verse they you they ឬក៏ plural subject គឺប្រើមួយ verb ប្រើមួយ verb ដល់មក plus locations ចា plus ទីតាំងឬក៏ទីកន្លែងឬក៏បូកជាមួយនឹង adjective ឬក៏បញ្ជាក់ពី time expression ដើម្បីកាន់តែច្បាស់ក៏បានដែរចាអញ្ចឹងយើងមកឧទាហរណ៍របស់យើងដើម្បីកាន់តែច្បាស់ឧទាហរណ៍ I was at my brother's apartment ចាមានថាខ្ញុំគឺបាននៅឯផ្ទះបងប្រុសរបស់ខ្ញុំអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំបាននៅមានថាវានៅក្នុងទម្រង់អតីតកាលណាមិនមែនឥឡូវនឹងទេគឺកាលពីពេលវេលាមុនចារហូតដល់ថាទី2 they were exciting ឃើញអត់ហើយលើអ្នកគ្រូប្រើជាមួយនឹង location ចាហើយនៅខាងក្រោមអ្នកគ្រូប្រើ exciting គឺ adjective ណាអញ្ចឹង they were exciting អញ្ចឹង they were exciting មានន័យថាខ្ញុំគឺខ្ញុំពិតជាបានរំភើបរីករាយចាអញ្ចឹងយើងអត់ដឹងថារីករាយដោយសារអីដោយសារតែ object របស់យើងជា exciting អញ្ចឹងគាត់នឹងគេបញ្ជាក់ថាខ្ញុំបានរំភើបរីករាយចាអញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុងទម្រង់អតីតកាលចាអញ្ចឹងយើងដឹងថាខាងលើគឺយើងប្រើជាមួយ locations ខាងក្រោមគឺយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង adjective ចានេះគឺ adjective ចាបន្ទាប់មកទៀតយើងនឹងមើលទម្រង់ negative វិញម្ដង negative ខុសត្រង់ថាស្របវាមិន not តែនៅក្នុង negative វា not គឺ not យើងប្រើកន្លែងណាអញ្ចឹង subject ដដែលទេបូកជាមួយនឹង verse ហើយ have not ចា have not បើសិនជាយើងចង់ប្រើទម្រង់ពេញ verse not តែយើងចង់ប្រើទម្រង់កាត់ versions យើងដាក់ឲ្យយើងមើលនៅតាមដង subject ដូចគ្នាបូកជាមួយនឹង verse បូកជាមួយនឹង verb not ឬក៏ version នៅកាត់តមកបូកជាមួយនឹង object របស់យើងដែលជា location ឬក៏ adjective ចឹងដើម្បីច្បាស់យើងមើលឧទាហរណ៍ណា I was not ឬក៏ versions at home តែខ្ញុំគឺមិនបាននៅផ្ទះទេ subject មួយទៀតយើងប្រើ were ចាយើងប្រើមួយ were we were not ឬក៏ wasn't happy nênថាយើងគឺពិតជាមិនសប្បាយចិត្តទេព្រោះយើងពិតជាមិនបានសប្បាយចិត្តទេក្នុងសកម្មភាពដែលកើតឡើងសំទោសនៅតកតងជាមួយនឹងសំទោសតកតងជាមួយនឹងសកម្មភាពដែលវាបានកើតឡើងនៅក្នុងអតីត cả cả vì thật là một hài nó việc nên là không từปัจจุบันตีนะคือที่ตัวอย่างที่ไว้แต่การลังรุ่ยหมดหายจ้ะที่ตำรวจปฏิเสธแล้วยังจะรอตำรวจพูดที่บางอย่างคือ yes no question จ้ะตำรวจ yes no question คืออยู่ด้านในที่ธรรมดาเราคงเกิด grammar ที่การปราบปรามคุณสั่งเลยไปได้ที่ yes no question คือยังเลิกกระเดสับถึงลุยจาก verb verse จ้ะโยกดันเลยของมุกhow you try to say สาวคมจาก W เจียสาวคมต่อมาคือบอกถึง subject ยัง subject อยู่ด้านในกับ subject นะครับตาม verse subject นะครับตาม verse อยู่ด้านในกับน้องสาวจากต่อมาบอกถึง object บางอย่างใน location หรือก็ที่อัดหรือก็เป็นแค่คือยังอัดชอบสมมติปีกันไล่หรือการนี่ชั่วโมงการนี่ได้พอ I verse teacher ไม่ตัดชอบด้วยชีชอบที่ครูผมเรียนไม่ได้บริการเราในไทยนั่นเป็นของความไทยเท่นั้นจะยังมองแต่how about you ว่าถ้าabout you ในคนแบบ first you at home first you at home มีทั้ง first เรา subject อยู่นะตาเนี่ยแต่ตาเนี่ยบ้านเนี่ยอ๋อเชื่อไปยืนจังเราบางสิ่งที่ยืนบ้านที่ยังใคร yes I verse ใส่ subject I นะ yes I verse แต่บอก update ยังใคร no I verses ที่ตำรวจกัดหรือ I know I verse not จานก็complete yes หรือกับ no ก็เป็น yes หรือ no ที่สุดได้ทำมาhai subject จำในทำมือคิด was she happy จากตาเนี่ยบ้านสบายจังอ๋อยังบอกสิ่งที่ยังใคร yes yes เป็นไร yes she was แต่ว่า no no she wasn't หรือก็ was not บางทีนะมันเป็นเหมือนกันจ้ะจึงโซต่อสำรองที่ W question W education อย่างมันเป็นตัวพาสซีคือยืนสำรองมาไม่มีละ W H เอาแต่ปีหนึ่งงานนั้นคือ W H คือเรามีเท้าที่ตรงมาขนม W H ได้หมายยืนจะลำนะ plus verb verb plus subject plus object ในที่เราพิจารณาอยู่ตัวเองซึ่งเป็นปั้นมือที่ห่อมายืนนะ how was your weekend how was your weekend ซึ่งที่จ้างสู้แต่ต้นสมุนการอะไรตรงด้านนั้นยืนจากมันได้นะซึ่งยืนไอ้แบบรีวอร์ดเป็นการที่วิ่งแต่ it was far out and kind of boring ค่ะยืนงับให้พูดคนเหมือนเดิมยืนบางงับให้พูดคนเหมือนเดิมได้กำลังเป็นนั่นคือการลังเหมือนเดิมในตัวเองค่ะจากที่ในภูมิจากการลงเล่นสำหรับในที่นี้เราเนี่ยคือสิ่งที่ทางโอนดูบางการระบาย has of the mean verse high number จ้ะยังเคยแต่ไว้เมื่อถึงลงลังไว้ให้เรียนเหมือนกันเป็นยกให้เรียนอ่านวันโครงการในเดือนทางใดจ้ะยังเอาเป็นที่เราบอกว่าเราที่ได้บางจุดแต่สำหรับในเดือนไหนรู้จ้ะเอาเป็นเจ้าสุดแรกเป็นตัว